Hello Disney family, and welcome back to my channel. We are doing another plan with me today, and today's inspiration is Minnie Mouse. Now it's not just any Minnie Mouse, it is a Valentine's Day inspired Minnie Mouse because Valentine's Day is coming up, and so I am pulling out of my Target paper packs. I actually picked this one and then I decided to go a different route. I picked some other ones, which you'll see in just a minute, and I didn't end up going with this heart that I had initially picked out. I ended up going with this bright red and then also this foiled heart and white print. So now I'm just figuring out my layout, which you guys know this takes me some time. I actually cut out the first time I tried to do a layout. This layout is the one that I actually pretty much ended up going with. Not really, because you're gonna see me switch it up. So now I am picking out my washi, and I thought I was going to use this Mickey Mouse washi, and I didn't, but I just wanted to show you this. And I actually used that Mickey Mouse washi in the DIY autograph book, which if you have not seen, I will link above now. And here is the sidebar. This actually took me a minute, and you guys will see. I initially cut this, and then I didn't like the way it was cut, so I cut out another one, and then I cut out another one, and I do eventually end up with something that I'm very happy with, but it's going to take me a little bit to get there. now I'm just working on the washi, and I ended up going with black and red and yellow, and you'll see I totally think that this washi made the spread for sure. So I got these letters for 70% off at Target when they were on sale for the holidays, and they just worked really well with the spread. And then I am just going to place my Minnie Mouse and the lettering. Now these jewels ended up being my favorite part, and you will see why. Now I end up messing with the lettering because I didn't like the way it turned out, so you'll just see me fixing this. I hope you guys enjoyed this Love Minnie spread. It's definitely my favorite one so far. I may say that every week as I continue to do this, but I just love the way this turned out. And if you did like it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you've not joined my Disney family, make sure to hit that little subscribe button. And I will see you guys real soon. Bye.